Greetings traders, this is David. I just wanted to do a quick video here to show you that I have broken the codes for the entire stock market and for the stock markets of the world. And I am now teaching the code to the stock market. And I have perfected code 1, code 2, and code 3. What you are seeing here is a video that's already been recorded and you're watching it now. And what I'm doing is just pulling up some scans for the gap ups and the gap downs and showing how I find these stocks. And then I use my code system on it, which I've just broken the code to the stock market. So what I'm going to do is go forward into the video right now and show you my trades. This is for one day. It is for July 31st, 2019. And I believe that was the Fed decision day. And I made $23,000 on that day. And I'm going to just give you a synopsis of it right now. We'll go forward in time. We'll go forward in time until I find my entries. So the market just opened, as you can see. It just opened right now. And you can see it says July 30th right here, but this is the beginning of the new day. And the stock had gapped down. And so now, go forward in time until I take an entry somewhere. Okay, I have taken a 5,000 share position on AMD and I am short on the position. You'll see it's a red bar right here. That indicates that's where I'm short at. This is my price, 31.71, and it's currently showing that I have an unrealized profit of $183. This thing is a little slow on the chart, but on the actual position it shows something. It keeps the position up to date tick for tick, but you're just not seeing it here. Anyway, it's about a 5-minute delay or a few minute delay, something like that. Anyway, I've taken a short position on AMD. We'll come to that in a little while. And go forward in time on the video here. Okay, I'm now ahead in AMD by 2,000. Okay, I have just switched over. I've taken a short position on TWOU. I have a 5,000 share short position at 1670. You see it reflected right here on the red bar. TWOU is another stock. I'll go forward in time. Okay, we're back to AMD here. I have a $3,000 unrealized profit. When I take profit, you'll see it here under realized. Okay, let's go forward in time. Okay, I have gotten out of the AMD position with $2,489 profit. I'm now flat on AMD. Let's go forward in time. Okay, TWOU. It's showing that I have an unrealized profit of minus 837. Let's go forward in time. Okay, now I have an unrealized profit of 1900. Going forward in time. Okay, now I have a $3,500 unrealized profit. Still going forward in time. Okay, I am out of TWOU with 3640 profit. Okay, let's go forward in time. Okay, I have a position long on UGAZ, 5,000 shares at 1448. Unrealized profit so far, minus 75. Okay, I've just switched over to AMD. I now have a long position on AMD, 5,000 shares. I already made $24.89. Now I'm in a new position going long. Let's go forward in time. Okay, here is UGAZ. I took a position in. I'm now ahead 2,125, 2,300. Let's go forward in time. Still trying to find where I got out at. Had 2700 in UGAZ now. Okay, out of UGAZ 2548 right there. Flat on UGAZ. Going, okay, I just switched over. I think I'm about to take a position here. Let's go forward in time. Okay, I've got a position short, 14 contracts on the ES. Go forward in time. Okay, I had 777 on the ES. Okay, I'm out of the ES, 1500. Going forward in time. Okay, I am back in the ES again. As you can see, I was down 2000, but I had a realized profit of 1800. It'll update here soon, and you'll see that I'm way ahead. Going forward in time. Okay, now I'm ahead 35.32 on the ES. Going forward in time. Okay, out of the ES, 59.56. Going forward in time. Okay, I am in the YM. Got 20 contracts long on the YM. Currently down 268. Actually, I'm ahead right there, as you can see by the chart, but it doesn't reflect until about, anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes or so after the fact. But on the right side of the screen, I have the entry order, and I have my portfolio there, and the real portfolio, and I can actually see it tick for tick exactly where I'm at, which of course I speak about in the video. Okay, going forward in time here. Okay, I took a loss on the YM. I got out for a loss, $1,877 loss on the YM, negative 1877. I'm now in a new position on the YM, short, currently down 241. Let's go forward in time. Okay, down right here, taking some heat, but my code system says it's going to go down. And what does it do? Boom. Boom. It goes down. I write. Because I am now using the ultimate code system. I have perfected code 1, code 2, and code 3, and I've broken the code to the stock market. To the entire worldwide stock market. Everywhere in the world. Japanese stocks, Korean stocks, now out 84.66 on the YM. Korean stocks, Japanese stocks, Chinese stocks, Australian stocks, European stocks, all stock markets. Indian stocks, all stock markets. Everywhere in the world, I have broken the code to them all. Do not believe anybody out there who says this isn't real. Because they have an agenda to tell you that this isn't real. That's what we really need to ask is, why do they keep saying that this isn't real? And who are these people? Let's go find them so that we can find the enemy. Once in a lifetime opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. All of the stock markets are all controlled by a computer program all around the world. Who's ready to wake up? Who wants to become rich? I am going to start teaching the implications of this at my channel. But for those of you who are interested in learning, you don't have to take the classes that I have going this week. After this week, all of the classes will be put onto video courses. We put up as video courses online, just like before, but with this new information. The perfecting of Code 1, Code 2, the master class for those who have already got Code 1, Code 2, and Code 3. And now the new investing class. I can show you how to use the codes that I've broken to take a position into any stock and get it right and invest into that stock. Worst case scenario, you'll break even. You won't lose any money on the trade. But you'll be able to take one position after another on one stock after another, taking positions, trying to invest into it. If you take a position, it goes up, you put a break-even stop on it. If it keeps going up, you just won and you got your investment now. You can do that with any stock and every stock in the world that you want to do it with. I'm doing it, and I can teach you to do it, and I'm going to do it with Uber and Lyft, and I'm going to nail these stocks and get into them for investment purposes. But I'm going to do it to one stock after another. And I will show you how to do it in my investing class, which will turn into an investing course, which you can purchase after this week as a course and watch it as much as you want to online. You do not have to attend the classes this week. So that's the good news. It's all coming down the pike for you. It is now an opened worldwide market, smorgasbord for you to make money in. You can go anywhere and everywhere all over the world. And in my investing class, I will show you where you want to go. I will show you how your money has, US dollars have a lot of power around the world to buy up stocks that are going to go up in price. And a lot of leverage for a relatively small amount of money to be able to make quite a bit of money with, which is just no longer possible in the USA market, relatively speaking. You got to have a relative good amount of money to be able to make money with in the USA market. You can trade, of course, the futures, the ES, the YM. As you can see, I nailed the YM, I nailed the ES, and I nailed all the stocks that I took. No losses. The only loss I took was the initial loss on the YM. All the other trades successful, every one of them. And the only reason why I lost on the YM is because I made a little mistake. I took a little bit of a gamble, and I lost on that gamble. Had I waited and confirmed mathematically, I would have won on the very first try using code 3. And so that's what I ended up doing. I said, okay, don't lose again. Use the code 3, get in, and win. And that's what I did. It's that simple. Now, I have another video coming after this one showing how I made another $23,000 the very next day, trading some more. And I will show you that video soon enough. For those of you who are able to trade and take advantage, jump on the bandwagon. You really want to know this information. You want to know the codes for the stocks and where to start putting your money globally. So I will either see you in my classes this week. So we've got the code 2 class, code 3 class, master class, and the investing class coming this week. I'll either see you in the class, or you can watch the video afterwards and purchase it next week. See you in the next video. Happy trading.